Uh, Your Honor, he was on federal release and he's being.
When these allegations arose?
Yes, Your Honor. When these
Motion for bond reduction denied.
Your Honor, if I may finish, please, briefly, if we may.
Go ahead, so I can just get to what I'm going to.
Part of his release was that he clear up his warrants. He surrendered himself voluntarily on.
He was on
February
pretrial
14th.
release when these allegations came up. They are capital cases, counsel. I don't know what you want me to do. Quite frankly, I think the bond's set too low.
Thank you for your consideration.
Don't get smart with me, counsel. That won't work well for you. Court does call the case of the people versus Pierre Jefferson.
Good morning, Your Honor. Mark Watt on behalf of the defendant, Mr. Pierre Jefferson, is present in court, standing to my immediate right. Your Honor, we have had an opportunity to.
Your name, sir? Pierre Jefferson. Thank you.
We have had the opportunity, Your Honor, to have the PCC, and we are set to go to exam at the next available date. If I may briefly address bond.
Discovery ready?
Yes, Your Honor. Discovery is complete.
I believe so, Your Honor. There might be some videos outstanding. I will look into that today and get anything turned over as soon as possible.
People have their witnesses available March 5th. Preliminary examination will be set March 5th, 2024, 9 a.m. in person. That will be before Judge Perry. Thanks, Bond, briefly.
Yeah, as to bond, Your Honor, Mr. Jefferson is a lifetime resident of the state of Michigan. You'll understand these are capital offenses he's charged with. However, the presumption of innocence must weigh in, and the bond that's currently set is tantamount to remand. He has insufficient funds to come anywhere near.
But it's to CSC first. He could be remanded without bond.
True statement, Your Honor. However,
I know.
However, we're asking the court to lower the bond.
Response from the people.
Your Honor, I'm going to request that bond remain as it is. The accusations in this case are incredibly serious, that the defendant was engaging in contact with the victim, who was a sex worker, and held a knife to her throat while he assaulted her. In addition, I understand he's on pretrial federal release for weapons offenses and fraud, and has bench warrants outstanding in the 15th District Court. So I believe bond is appropriate.
He was on federal release when,
Your Honor,
these allegations came up.
No, Your Honor, he was on federal release and he's being.
When these allegations arose?
Yes, Your Honor. When these
motion for bond reduction denied.
Your Honor, if I may finish, please, briefly, if we may.
Go ahead, so I can just get to what I'm going to.
Part of his release was that he clear up his warrants. He surrendered himself voluntarily on.
He was on
February
pretrial
14th.
release.
That statement from the judge speaks volumes. Not only was the bond reduction denied, but the judge went even further by saying the bond might actually be too low. When a defendant is already on federal release and facing new serious allegations, courts often view that as a major factor in deciding whether release is appropriate. Do you agree with the judge's reasoning?
These allegations came up. They are capital cases, counsel. I don't know what you want me to do. Quite frankly, I think the bond's set too low. Motion for bond reduction denied. Thank you. Court calls the case of the people versus Kevin Shametz. Jones. Ms. Hamoud. We're sorry to wake you.
Thank you. Tonight I'm appearing with and on behalf of Mr. Shametz, who stands to my right. I was in a very enthralling conversation with Ms. Julian. And I apologize for making the court wait.
Go ahead.
Your Honor, today's time and date set for PCC in this matter. Mr. Shametz would like to waive his right to preliminary exam. I've counseled him on the same, and he's executing the waiver right now.
Sir, is that a correct statement? Yes, Your Honor. You understand that a preliminary examination is a proceeding where the people would have to show by probable cause that the offense is alleged to be committed and that you committed them. Yes, Your Honor. You understand you'll not have that hearing and that you'll proceed to circuit court for further resolution. Yes. People also waive their right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Preliminary examination having been waived, defendant is bound over to circuit court on counts 1 and 2 with 3 following.
Thank you, Your Honor. As to the As to the complaint, waive formal reading for the record, for the information, Mr. Shawmut stands mute. I ask the court to enter a not guilty plea on his behalf.
Defendant having waived formal reading, standing mute. Court will enter not guilty plea as to all counts. Pretrial will be set for
February 29th at 1:30 before Judge Slade Thursday.
February 29th, 2024, 1:30, Slay Thursday.
That one to the next pretrial date.
Okay.
I'll come see you.
Bond will continue.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Thank you for your help.
Don't start talking.
The courtroom was just so fun.
Yeah, it's just a blast.
This is why every detail matters in court. What initially appeared to be direct evidence against the defendant was later clarified by the prosecution, who acknowledged they couldn't prove he personally made those calls. It's a reminder that courtroom decisions should always be based on verified facts, not assumptions.